So good day viewers, welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation we are going to answer mathematics paper 2 for 2003. So this is a question that came from the topic sets. So let's look at the question. So here is our first question. The question reads, in a class of 40 pupils, 16 like physics, 17 like mathematics, 24 like chemistry, and the rest like other subjects not stated. 5 like all the 3 subjects, 4 like mathematics and physics only, 6 like physics and chemistry only, 3 like mathematics and chemistry only. Question 1. Illustrate this information on a clearly labeled Venn diagram. Question 2. Hence or otherwise find A. The number of pupils who like one subject only. B. The number of pupils who do not like any of the 3 subjects. So when it comes to questions that have to do with the sets, when they give you in a statement form, you need to pay attention to the information that is provided. So they have told us that the total number of pupils is 40 pupils that were in a class. And we have 3 subjects: physics, mathematics, and chemistry. Then there are other subjects that are not stated, okay, which were also liked by other pupils. So we have been told that for physics, only 16 pupils liked physics. For mathematics, only 17 pupils liked mathematics. For chemistry, only 24 pupils liked chemistry. Meaning that is the total number of pupils that liked physics, 16. Those that liked mathematics, 17. Those that liked chemistry, 24. So from these numbers now, they are saying 5 like all the 3 subjects. This is the very important information. So 5 of them, they like all the 3 subjects. Then 4, they like mathematics and physics only. Okay? So let's see how we can now present this information in the Venn diagram. So in our Venn diagram, we are going to start with the rectangular box. Then we are going to have the universal set symbol here. Now, since we are talking about 3 subjects, okay, we are talking about 3 subjects, that is mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So we are going to have 3 circles, okay, and these 3 circles are going to intersect, because we have been told in the information that 5 pupils liked all the 3 subjects. So the first set, you are going to have the set of mathematics. The second one, the set of physics. The third one, we are going to have the set of what? Chemistry. Now, there is the very important information here. They have said 5 pupils liked all the 3 subjects. So the 5, you are going to write it here on the middle. This is the part that is showing that this number of learners, they liked mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So we are going to place the 5 right here. Then there is another information where they have said we have pupils that liked physics and maths only. Okay, so this should be placed here only, physics and maths only. Okay, which is 4. Then we also have pupils that liked physics and chemistry only. This should be placed here. Okay, these are 6. Then we also have pupils that liked maths and chemistry only. Okay, so these are going to be placed here. So this is the information that you have. Now from there, they have told us that the total number of pupils, okay, the total number of pupils that liked mathematics, okay, they have given us a certain number. Okay, then they have said the total number of pupils that liked physics, it's 16. Then the total number of pupils that liked maths, it was 17. And the total number of pupils that liked chemistry, it was 24. So what you are going to do is, here we need the number of pupils that like physics only. It's going to be shown here. So you have 4, then you have 5, you have 6. So you need to add these 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay? And this will give us 15. Now, they are saying for physics they were 16. So the 16 minus the 15 that you have gotten, you are going to remain with the 1 which you are going to put here. Okay? So here we have said the total number of students that like physics is equal to 16. That is the total number. So 16 minus 15, we are going to have 1. So this one will be placed here on physics. This indicates that only one pupil liked physics only. Okay, so the one will be placed there. When you add 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, you are going to have 16, which is the total number. The same idea, you are going to apply it to mathematics. So pupils that liked mathematics, they were 17. Okay, so here now we have 4, we have 5, we have 3. When we add these, 4 plus 5 gives us 9. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. So the total number of students that like mathematics is 17. So we are going to subtract, you say 17, take away 12. So that you remain with the number of pupils that like maths only, which is going to be written here. So here I have said total number of students that like maths only, that like maths in total, it's 17. 17 minus 12. Where is this 12 coming from? We have added 4 plus 5 plus 3. That's where the 12 is coming from. So 17 minus 12, we are going to get a 5. So 5 shows number of students that like maths only, which is going to be written right here. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now we come to the third part where we have chemistry. So chemistry, they have said the total number of pupils that like chemistry is 24. Now we need to add these. We see if you are going to get 24 or less than 24. So 3 plus 5, it will give us 8. Then 8 plus 6 is going to give us 14. Then they have said the total number of students that like chemistry is 24. So we are going to subtract 24 minus 14 so that we remain with the number of students that like only chemistry, which will be written right here. Okay, so here I have said the total number of students that like chemistry is 24 minus 14. We are going to get a 10. So the 10 will be written right here. This 10 shows that these are the students that like chemistry only. So I hope it's clear. Okay, so this is how we can illustrate this information. Now, before we conclude that we are done, remember the question said how many pupils altogether? Okay, how many pupils altogether? They were 40. So let's add all these numbers to see if you are going to have 40. So if you add 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus this one plus 6 plus 10, okay, you are getting a 34. Now they are saying the total number of pupils, it was 40. So 40 minus 34, we are getting a 6. So that 6 now, it shows that this is the number of learners that did not like any of these 3 subjects. They didn't like maths, they didn't like physics, they didn't like chemistry. So these 6 pupils, it means they liked other subjects that are not stated here. So we have said we are going to say the total number of pupils is equal to 40 minus, so we add 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6 plus 10. This gives us a 40. 40 minus 36. Sorry, 40 is the total number minus the 36, which you have gotten by adding all these number of pupils that like maths, physics, and chemistry. You'll get a 6. So 6 shows that these are the pupils that do not like these subjects that are stated. They like other subjects which are not stated here. So these 6 that you have gotten, you are going to write it in the inverse set outside these 3 sets. So it's going to be written here. Okay, we are going to have a 6. So this means that we have answered our question Roman numeral 1. So let us now move on to our question Roman numeral 2. So here is our question Roman numeral 2, which is A. Find the number of pupils who like one subject only. So we need to find the number of pupils who like one subject only. So one subject only, it's here. We have a 1. You can see here we have a 1. Okay, meaning in physics only 1 like physics only. In maths only 5 liked maths only. In chemistry only 10 liked chemistry only. So we are going to add 1 plus 5 plus 10. So we are going to say the number of pupils who like one subject only is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 10. This will give us 16. This is our answer to our question 2.1. Now we move on to our question B. Our question B reads, find the number of pupils who do not like any of the 3 subjects. So the number of pupils who do not like all these 3 subjects, I said it's 6. The one that was written outside in the university site right here. So here we are just going to write that the number of pupils who do not like any of these 3 subjects is equal to what? A 6. This 6 right here. Okay. So we are done answering our questions. Thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.